Advanced Technology, or DIAT for short, is the only technology university under Ministry of Defence that offers education, research and innovation in various disciplines of science and technology. DIAT was established in Pune in 1952 as IAT, Institute of Armament Technology. Since then, the institute has grown from strength to strength and assumed the status of a deemed university on 1st April 2006. In 2013, it was declared a Category A university by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. With a vision to be a centre of excellence of international repute for education, training and research in advanced technologies with a view to strengthen national security and self-reliance. DIAT Pune aims to grow with glory and achieve success with significance. DIAT has a beautiful sprawling campus at Khadakwasla, overlooking the Khadakwasla Lake, situated amidst pristine Sahyadri Hills and serene outskirts, just 20 kilometers away from the bustling city of Pune. DIAT enjoys the autonomy of a full-fledged university, with the ability to leverage its wealth of both academic acumen and financial freedom. The university encompasses Wi-Fi enabled campus, state-of-the-art laboratories with high-end equipment, well-stocked library with volumes and e-journals, suitably well-trained and highly qualified academic faculty and staff. High-quality standards are maintained and practiced in all critical areas of academic, research and personnel training with efficient administration. Equal importance is given to sports and health as well.
The endeavor of Defence Institute of Advanced Technology Pune is to get evolved as a unique research and academic university in the country. Our focus is to develop technologies which can be used by DRDO, defence services and also defence industries in the area of electronics, aerospace, combat vehicles, armament technologies, satellite navigation, nanomaterials, wireless systems and also efficient use of propulsion systems. We wish to develop qualified manpower which can be used by DRDO, defence services, security agencies and the industries which are getting involved in Make in India for the defence related systems in India.
DIAT offers specialized courses to meet the needs of armed forces, DRDO, Defence Quality Assurance, Ordnance Factories and defence public sector undertakings and defence-related industries. It has now opened its gates for the general public and has been admitting civilian students to join its PhD and MTech programs. Most of these students are supported with scholarships at par with DST MHRD norms. The Department of Aerospace Engineering deals with training manpower in order to understand the design concepts and performance of aeronautical systems including rocket and missiles, UAVs and aerostats. The Department of Aerospace Engineering is actively involved in research activities that are aimed at addressing theoretical as well as practical issues. Design of robust navigation, guidance, propulsion control systems for aerospace system, icing on aircraft, aeroelasticity in flexible vehicles, and active flow control are some areas being studied. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering offers specialization in wired and wireless networking, cryptography, digital forensics techniques, and cybersecurity. Department of Computer Engineering focuses its research on cybersecurity domain. The emphasis is on research activities, designing a secure software system, trusted computing, developing tools for detection and prevention of malware intrusion, digital forensic techniques, video steganography, and wireless sensor networks. The Department of Electronic Engineering conducts courses and research in radar and communication, signal processing and communication, and defense electronic systems. Department of Electronic Engineering has a focused research in synthetic aperture radar, communication technologies, intelligent radar imaging applications, electronic warfare, micro-electromechanical system design, MIMO-based cognitive communication systems, signal processing, pattern recognition, underwater imaging, navigation system, and wireless sensor applications, etc. The Department of Materials Engineering studies all types of materials including metallic, composite polymers, ceramics, elastomers, and biomaterials. The department pursues research in the following domain areas: advanced ceramics for engineering applications, polymers for automobile and high-end ablative systems, composites and nanotechnology, smart materials, and biomaterials and fiber technology. The Department of Mechanical Engineering offers postgraduate programs in armaments, combat vehicles, marine engineering, and robotics, along with Masters of Science and PhD program. The department envisages the following focused research areas: analysis and design of composite structures, self-healing structures, functionally graded structures, finite element analysis, fracture mechanics, dynamic indentation, high-speed machining, and computational fluid dynamics. The Department of Technology Management aims to educate and train DRDO scientists, officers from armed forces, including Coast Guard and private defense industry, to manage technology and projects in a more professional manner and to avoid time and cost overruns. The Department of Applied Chemistry is focused on chemical science and technology for defense and other allied areas. Research activities are focused on all modern areas of applied chemistry related to defense application, as well as on interdisciplinary areas like membrane technology, ionic liquids, organic synthesis for propellants and explosives, quantum dots nanotechnology, high energy reagents and materials, polymer chemistry, and organic hybrid materials. The Department of Biosciences and Technology deals with integrating biological sciences into materials, physics, chemistry, electronics, and aerospace engineering. The faculty at the department has varied expertise in the research areas of structural biology and molecular biology tools, drug delivery and toxicology, disease diagnostics, and tissue engineering. The focus of the research programs will be in the areas of biosensing, biomaterials, biophysics, nanobiotechnology, biodefense, and computational biology pertaining to defense as well as civil applications. The Department of Applied Mathematics offers courses in the fields of modeling and simulation of various defense systems and scenarios. Department of Applied Mathematics carries out research work in theoretical and computational fluid dynamics, biomechanics, cryptography, and other diverse areas of modeling and simulation in interdisciplinary areas. The study is important to understand the mixing phenomena and vortex structure formation with the evolution process associated for jet in cross-flow. The vortex structures near to the jet outlet can help to understand the mixing phenomena and associated physics. The Department of Applied Physics runs MTech programs on laser and electro-optics and variety of sensors. The department works in the area of nanotechnology for applications such as sensors for CBW, diagnostics and environment, stealth and EMI, energy and photovoltaics, supercapacitor, and drug delivery. Besides these, customized training courses for newly recruited engineers and officers of BrahMos, BEL, HAL, BDL, and Ordnance Factory are also being arranged on a round-the-year basis. DIAT also undertakes ab initio training of DRDO scientists under a structured points program for 22 weeks. DIAT has a major interdisciplinary, interdepartmental and interagency major projects on nanotechnology from DRDO, where R&D is being carried out in nanotubes, indents, drug delivery systems, new ceramics and polymers, and carbon nanotube composites, etc. The majority of the research undertaken here pertains to industry solutions and applications of innovative techniques. Therefore, DIAT has already filed more than 25 patents over the last 3 years, and industries have shown keen interest to take the claim of these examined patents. These patents encouraged to start an incubation and entrepreneur cell for DIAT. DIAT takes great pride in their students, both postgraduate and PhD degree holders, as they have been trained, assessed and readied for suitable roles in industry, defense research and contemporary global technologies. Students are integrated with technology elements from across the world. DIAT's endeavor is always to provide academic training and carry out research in the niche areas relevant to defense R&D. DIAT has MOU with national and international institutions, research labs for mutual updating of technology, and academics in the area of interest and carrying out collaborative R&D. DIAT collaborates with industries by offering suitable research and training programs and also taking DIAT developed solutions to market. DIAT, helping to build a well-informed defense force equipped with current technological knowledge base that can help arrive at realistic and holistic solutions for the nation. DIAT, aiming to impart and strengthen competencies in contemporary technology. Collaborating with and bringing together the armed forces, academia, R&D institutes and industries. DIAT, technology for the country and security for the nation. Jai Hind.